Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hardware Info channel. Today I do have the MARSHALL Tufton speaker and I'm going to show you how you can easily connect this speaker with a cable with your phone. So, at first we have to take a look at the back of our speaker, which is here, and as you can see here we do have this AUX key port. We have to just plug the mini jack cable into here and plug the another one, the finishment of this cable into the phone or tablet or any other device that is using a jack port. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.